Hi, welcome back to another video of Adrian's World. Today we're playing some more Demolition Derby. Like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Now the goal is to get to first place out of like 9 other people. There's an ad. I don't like ads while I'm playing the game. Alright, let's go. Come on, come on. Come on! I hate ads. Tell me. I hate ads so much. I just want to get into my game. No, I don't care about your game. I want my game. Thank you. Alright. Here we go. I just smacked myself. So, I'm trying to get to 100. It's not loading. So, how's your day going while it's loading? Alright, go. Get off of me. Get up. What's wrong with you? Wait, turn the lights on. Good. Alright, go. Alright, so guys, I'm trying to reach 100 subs by the end of the year. And right now, I'm currently at like 74. So, yeah, I was just wondering, like, guys, please start subscribing. Because I just really want to reach my goal. And yeah. And another thing that I wanted to say is the reason why I haven't been posting. I haven't posted in like a couple of months, maybe like 1 month, for like my last gaming video and yeah, all that stuff. But that's because I've been doing a bunch of other videos, like I'm currently trying to make a Lego video where I'm building another Lego, and I have another video where I like travel in a plane and I go someplace. I'm not trying to spoil that whole video, but yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I've just been editing this whole summer. I haven't posted in like this whole summer, so yeah, that's why. And yeah, basically. Alright, so let's go back to the game here. Here we go. I'm drifting, drift. And here we go. Boom. Just like that. Oh yeah. And go. Oh yeah. Oh, I missed him. Oh! Okay. Alright, I'm gonna come back from that. Hold on. I gotta recharge. Oh wow, I went flying. Oh, okay. I'm back. Oh no! Ah! What's happening? Alright, go. So fast. Zoom. Oh, boom. Just like that. Oh my goodness, I'm so good. Jeez Louise. They call me The Rock. They call me John Cena. And his name is John Cena. Wait, get ready. Hold on. Nobody leave. Here we go. And his name is John Cena. Just taking out everybody. Alright, one more time. Third time's the charm. Here we go. And his name is John Cena. Okay, I missed. I said, and his name is John Cena. Wow, that was anticlimactic. Alright, hold on. Here we go. Oh yeah, just like that. Boom! John Cena is here, everybody. Don't worry. They call me The Rock. They call me Hulk Hogan. The Undertaker. Undertaker who? Hulk Hogan who? John Cena. The Rock who? Jeff Hardy who? Drew McIntyre who? Roman Reigns who? Oh, 2 of them out of here. Just like that. Alright, it's just me and another guy. His name's Ben. Here we go. Come on. We're just talking Ben here. Yeah, the other car's name is Ben. I'm going up against Ben. I won! That was cool. Yeah, first place, 3,000 coins, damage dealt 1,061. What? Okay. Ammo. Alright, yeah. Let's go to the replay. Hold on. Look at this. Oh. Okay. Why can I not go forward? But yeah, just look at this. This was great. This was just... Look at that match. Like... Look at that. That was insane. That was just insane. Insane! Hold on. Here we go. Watch this. Just like that. Winner. Boom, boom, boom. Bang, bang, bang. Just like that. Alright, bye, guys. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Let's hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And, yeah, like and subscribe. I won Demolition and Demolition Derby. That was Demolition and that was Derby. So, bye.